What's up, my friends? And in this video, we're going to be talking about how to bring an HTML newsletter that you may be building somewhere else and launch it directly in Clickfunnels. So right here, we're going to be going to our marketing area, marketing. Then you're going to click broadcast and we're going to create a brand new broadcast. And I'm going to give it a name. So this is episode number 8 of the Entrepreneur Tech Secrets. And the title is for this week is I am good or really good. And if you haven't been getting this, make sure that you go to my website. There's a link below the video, carlosvargas.com, and you can subscribe completely free. And then what I'm gonna be doing here is that the first thing is that it's gonna ask me for a design. There's another video that I cover how to create your own design, or you can start with one of these beautiful templates that already come as part of the tool. But I'm gonna click one of my previous templates and I'm gonna select it. Okay, so now we are here in the template, and as you see, there's a lot of content that comes. You're gonna think, wait, if I'm gonna import it, what do I do with it? So all that I have to do, I click, and there's a content section for HTML content. So I'm gonna erase everything, and that will erase the HTML content. And all that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy the content from whatever I am building it, and I'm gonna paste it, and voila! There I have my content. And then you see that it says that there's content that is not saved, so I'm gonna be publishing it. And now that is bringing me back to the main interface for sending this email. Then the next thing that I have is that I have the topic. So I'm gonna be picking Entrepreneur Tech Secrets, and I'm gonna be changing my audience. And in my case, I wanna look for the tags, and I'm gonna sort it for is one off. And what this will do is that it will allow you to send this email to multiple groups at the same time, or people that may have one or the other. So in this case, I'm going to show you. I'm going to be picking up my Seinfeld list, if I can type it correctly, my newsletter opt-in that they have been coming in different places. So we're moving everything into our Clickfunnels account 2.0. Then it gives me the number of the broadcast people. Then in here, I have the option for from who's sending this. So I have the different accounts that I have configured. So in this, I'm gonna be picking the newsletter account, and it's telling you from who's coming. And then I'm gonna be copying my subject and my pre-header for my email. And then you have the option that you can preset this for later. So let's say if I want to send this for tomorrow at 6 a.m. in the morning, I can come here and pick the date and at what time we're going to start. Or you can start sending it right now. So in my case, I'm going to do right now. And I'm going to go schedule broadcast. When I click schedule broadcast, it's going to give me, hey, this is what you're going to schedule. This is what you're going to be doing. Yes. And now, voila, my newsletter is on its way. So there you have it, my friends, how to bring an HTML newsletter into your Clickfunnels account. If you have any questions, please let me know.